okay?
Fine.
Excellent. What are you doing here today at Skydive Swansea then?
Doing the skydive for Kerry Beck.
Brilliant. Excellent. So it's a great course.
It's a fabulous.
You're looking forward to it? 12,000 feet straight down 120 mile an hour?
Yes, I do.
Brilliant. Hey, listen, you're here to enjoy yourself today, right? You know, so...
Exciting. Once I'm out of the plane, I'll be fine.
Exactly. Hey, listen, give me a big thumbs up. Anything you want to say to everybody back home?
Just thank you for your support and sponsoring me for Kerry Beck. Great.
Brilliant.
Great.
Give them a big thumbs up. 120 mile an hour straight down. Big smiles, right?
hold you down, 'cause you're a friend, I blame myself. I guess you think it's funny now, funny now.
at that. Look at that. Check you up, you bad self, huh? Give him a big thumbs up to the left. Yeehaw! Well done. Right?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. It's not like time.
Oh, so tell me. Tell him at home. How was it?
It was quite amazing. It was exhilarating. And I'd rather have done it if I could do it again.
Hey, and listen,
Okay.
all for a brilliant cause. Well done.
Absolutely.
You've just done something that millions will never have the guts to do. Well done.
Thank you.
Right, big thumbs up.
Silly wrong, but vivid right. Oh, kiss me like a fire.